a learner, riding my bike. Quick, eh? So I'm done with my errands. I was gonna take the in roads, but I just don't feel like traffic roads, so I'm gonna turn here. I'll fill up tomorrow. I'll get home. I know, guys, I just made a video I made a video that said I didn't forgot what I was saying. Yeah, I'm not turning here, bro. Go home. I was greeting that guy. He greeted me like 10 seconds after the fact. See how nice bikes are. I must stop in traffic. Okay, cool. Wait, I'll tell you guys now. I can't multitask. I'm sorry. I just suck at multitasking. You know these sharp U-turns. I don't even put my foot down. That's how used to it I am. You do realize if I was driving a car at the end, right at the end. Probably joining now. This is the curve I nearly crashed on R1 when I started riding. Ah man, I love this one as well, bro. She looks nice. Oh man, I love those three curves, bro. Anyway, guys, so what I was saying. Okay, now we're back on the original road. So what I wanted to say is, should I say this? So I wanted to say the previous video I did was where I said I'm feeling misunderstood, you know. So now which is hard because I'm talking about it, and then if I can't post this video before that video comes out. Also, I'm just thinking of making it one video, to be honest. Like, I don't overthink such things. If it's a 35-minute video, it is what it is, man. I think you guys will enjoy it after this. Because I was thinking, I was like, oh, do I split it into two videos? I don't know. Man, I have too much content for days. I don't see the point of trying to split the videos into two. I'll just give you guys both videos all in one. So hopefully if you're watching this, hopefully if you're watching this, you probably like towards the end of the video now, and now you're finding out that I did. doesn't move quickly. So you have to go down to gear 2 at least. Okay, yeah, 2. can have it for a month without deleting, and then it helps because like you can post shorts and all of that. So then I was like, let me go balls to the wall, you know. So I ended up buying like a terabyte, and the Insta360 X3, I'm sure the X4 and X5 the same, because you can record like, it normally records 30 frames per second at 5.7K, you know. I think it can go up to 8K. Even the one I'm recording with now, I'm recording at 4K, but you can record at 8K. But I don't get the point of, guys, this traffic light's been closed for a while now, eh? I don't get the point of recording at 8K, because even on YouTube, like, it doesn't show you recording at 8K, so I leave it at 4K. I don't record at 8K. I don't know if people actually do record at 8K. I don't know, yeah. Anyway, so I bought a terabyte. I was like, let me just go balls to the wall. So that's one of the errands I was running, and I don't have my bag on me, so I had to put it in my pocket. So I had to bend the thing. So now I'm like, geez, if it doesn't work, I don't know how I'm going to return it. But that's not my problem for now. Yeah, let me fuel up and go home, because tomorrow I have a ride with a guy who rides an R7. So yeah, let me just fuel up quickly. Voilà. Sure. 95, ne? Mshayele 300. Sure. I know we put 200, because someone's gonna say to the guys, put full tank, or they put it to the wall, eh? Like, they fuel it up till you can't even close the cap. So yeah, guys. So I got a terabyte, and basically the Insta360 that I'm using now, because I lost it and luckily it was insured, insurance paid me out. So obviously I'm happy that insurance paid me out, you know, because I've insured a lot of stuff with them. So if they pay it out without really much of a hassle, I'm like, okay, cool, I'll keep my stuff insured with them. So yeah, so I got paid out, and I've had, no, they didn't pay me in cash, they just bought me a replacement, which sucks, because if they gave me the cash, I was going to buy the Insta360 X5. But because they gave me the X3, I mean, I'm going to use it. I don't see the point of selling it and then buying the X5. I'm okay with using an X3. So yeah, I'm gonna, let me show you the learner sign behind my bike actually, guys, because I feel like I'm still a learner, still a student of the game. So yeah, that's the learner sign. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna start doing some 360 videos again, from the rear view, from the back. Sometimes I'll have the POV as well. I'll just decide sometimes which camera I use. Sometimes I'll have both, give you both footage. Sometimes I'll give you just the one in front, then the one at the back. Yeah, but let's see how it goes. Bro wants the bike. I mean, bikes are just addictive, bro. I think even before I had a bike, I used to look at bikers like, wow, dude, this looks nice. Okay, let me pay. Let me pay, then I'm going home, guys. Shop. Cool, guys, I'm on my way home. It's getting a bit dark. My visor's dark, and it still has a bit of the plastic. Sure looks nice. Hey, now you guys are gonna think I like ladies, eh? Because whenever I see a nice lady, I'm always like, oh, she looks nice. I'm sure you'll be like, this Papiano guy, he likes ladies. No, guys, I don't like ladies. This is what I like, is a bike. Me being a learner, riding my bike. Don't say I like ladies. Yo, but she looks nice, eh? Let me go home before I